So now let's start creating some routers in our application so we can create the pages for sign up and sign in. So we can move forward and calling the APIs. So we first go into the app dot. So inside this app dot routes dot ts, in this I start writing the routes. So first I'll need to have a route for register and another I would be having for login. So let me just create both of those. I need to give path and in that I do register, and in the last video we created the components for them. So the component would be sign up component for register, and another path I need to give for login, and I need to give component for it. For giving me error because I haven't created an object for it. Now it won't give me error, and for component I give sign in component. I didn't create a component or component sign up, and in this components, oh, the name is login. So I do login, sign up component from dot sign up dot component. Then login should be also login component. So login component came from login dot component, right? This is the route which we created and it should be working now. Let's move forward. Now, if you just go into this, the main project app.component, apart from this, I'll need to give it router outlet to have it working. Now, if I just open my terminal inside my front end and I do ng serve. So I think the server would be running, and on the slash register I'll see the register page, and on slash login I'll see the login page. Let's just check it out. It is working or not. I have run the ng serve command. So the server is running for the front end. And you see this is this, and if I just add here register, I should see the sign up component. This is the sign up component, and if I do login, it says the login component because I created a login route and a register route. So this part is done. Let's move forward. Now in the component of this, the main component app.router, I need to create the navbar because navbar is definitely will be needing a navbar, right? So let's just remove this and I'll start typing the code for navbar. So let me just create a div first here, and here I can do ng/header, and in this I should give a class of main header, and I do ng/row, and then I do ng type flex, then I do another class custom navbar, right? That would be fine. Then I do def. Inside I give class. In this class I do navbar dot title, and I do a router link is equals to /login and in this I can write car rental, and another div I need to create. This would be nav links. Now I have these only. Router link would be one for register. Let's just write register here. Sometimes I speak very slowly, so mic doesn't take the correct pitch for it. Okay, must keep with me. Things will get better slowly. Slowly, I record more. I hope so. So one more thing. Router link active. Now, if I just see the page, I have an error. Now I don't have error, but I only see N because I'm on login. It shows me N. Let me click it. So this should be login, and this should be login. We type nav link, V button, we type router link, register, router link active, register, V button, ng header. And you see, I'm getting an error. The ng header is not a known element because I haven't yet imported it. So, which you see, I have an error. Ng header is not defined. So I have to go into app component ts, and here I do this. I also type the SCSS for this app. So it's not on this. Yes, I do background color. Okay. Whenever we want. Okay. Next, then we by content, that we align item checker. Then there will be padding. Okay. And we are using SC, I can define the class. I can just start here. What? Then I have a title. Right. 17. Well, important automatically. So we need to add important here. Then there will be margin left. You can use MPX. Then there would be font size, MPX, and font weight, folder. Another thing which I had was nav links. And inside the nav link, I think I am missing something here. This should be ending here only. Yeah. And nav links. We have display. I have display. Flex. Align item center. Inside this A. Color ice blue. And margin left. And yes. Now if I go into my project, so this is how it is looking. Custom header is there. Custom navbar. See, navbar is created here. This is the register. This is login. Enter, and these buttons are not working right now. Right? These buttons won't be working till now because I haven't imported the easy button, dollar button till now. That's why these are not working. I'll just show you over these. I have this A and G content here. Then there is the NG button, right? It is NG type, and I haven't imported it yet. And also there might be an error of NG, or like let me just remove this one here. So as it wasn't working, these buttons are not working. Like if you click on these are not clickable right now, right? You must be wondering why we are having it even after we have added the router link here, right? It is because I haven't imported the router module here yet. Router module from Angular router is needed to have this functionality. Like if I do register, it is on register. Now I do on login, it is on login. And if I on this, it is login, right? So these buttons are working. And we have created a basic navbar here. So let's move forward.